Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Alexa with Wyze Home Monitoring, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, ensure your Wyze app is already installed on your smartphone. Open the Wyze app and log in to your account. Tap on the Home Monitoring option from the main screen. Once you're in the Home Monitoring section, locate the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Tap on the Settings icon to access your monitoring settings. Scroll down and select Integrations from the list of options. In the Integrations menu, look for Alexa and tap on it. You will see an option to link account. Tap on it to initiate the process. This will redirect you to the Amazon Alexa login page. Enter your Amazon account credentials and sign in. After signing in, you may be prompted to grant permissions to Wyze. Review the permissions and tap on Allow to authorize the integration. Once you have granted permission, return to the Wyze app. You should see a confirmation message that your Wyze account is now linked to Alexa. To complete the setup, open the Alexa app on your smartphone. In the Alexa app, tap on the More option located at the bottom right corner. Select Skills and Games from the menu options. Search for Wyze in the search bar at the top. Find the Wyze skill in the search results and tap on it. Tap on the Enable to Use button to activate the Wyze skill. After enabling, sign in with your Wyze account credentials if prompted. Once linked, you can start using Alexa to control your Wyze devices. To discover your devices, simply say, "Alexa, discover my devices." Your Wyze Home Monitoring system is now ready to use with your Alexa device. Enjoy seamless control of your home monitoring features via voice commands. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.